What's up everyone, Chuck here with VMP Performance, and today we have my man DBP back in the house. We've got Track Attack behind me, and I told him, next time you come down, I'm gonna hand you the keys to this thing, we're gonna let you take this thing for a rip.
Yes, yeah.
So what are you expecting, man?
2, 1, boost ignition, and liftoff.
I'm expecting a 1,000 wheel.
I'm nervous. I've never been in a 1,000-wheel car. I've never driven a 1,000-wheel car. And the last time I was here is when we put the VMP Gen 3R in Lucifer. That went perfectly well. But this thing was getting a fresh Mantic. Triple disc?
Yeah.
Triple disc clutch. I have no idea what to expect with that. But the fact is, it's essentially a GT500 2020, but with an MT82, which is very interesting. And the great thing about it is, I've driven Stang modes 2020 DCT Shelby, so it's going to be pretty wild, I think. It's
nice little A to B comparison.
Yes, exactly. A to B comparison, and I got a feeling it's going to be really, really rowdy, considering it is MT82.
All right, man. Well, I'm gonna go grab the keys and get this thing warmed up. I'll hand them over to you, and let's see what happens.
Gotcha. Oh, this is crazy, guys. Freaking Track Attack. I'm so glad you guys got it all good to go now.
Oh man.
I missed out. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty sad last time.
Yeah. I took my mother-in-law for a rip in it a few weeks ago.
Like your mother-in-law?
Yeah.
How'd she like it?
Scared the shit out of her, man. No, this is a different car than what you're used to.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
You know, like the difference between a car making 400 and 700 is a big deal, right?
Yeah,
but when you start talking from like 700 to this car makes 1020.
This car makes 1020?
Yeah.
Oh, man, dude. This is gonna be my first 1,000 horsepower car I've ever driven, which is awesome. I think the second fastest was like 750 or so.
It's a big
we're
jump.
We're gonna keep it tamed, guys. This is gonna be a fun joyride, so to call, but it's gonna be worth it. So here we go. I'll let you guide me which way you think
go
best.
left and then take a right at that light down there.
Oh shit. It's a little high. Alright. I forgot how ear piercing this was.
Yeah, it's loud.
We took it to lunch and I remember and golly.
When you're behind the wheel, it's a whole different story, man.
The nerves are definitely high right now. You just don't get to do this every day. Predator motor, MT82.
It's just $1,000 or $100,000 car.
Oh, dude, don't say that.
Go right here.
Alright, take a deep breath. Holy shit, why am I so nervous, dude?
You shouldn't be, man. Like
This thing's scary.
It's literally, it's just a Mustang.
I think it's the fact that it's like a Sema car. This is a wild.
You know, it's just
most expensive car.
Literally just everything Justin and Rebecca have ever worked for. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, facts. We're good.
It's the flagship car of the company, you know.
Yo, chill.
There's a bunch more like it. This is not like.
Yeah, it's not a one of a kind or anything.
What the French toast?
Are you actually kidding right now? No way, dude.
You can't short ship like that, man.
Dude, I'm scared to go any faster. That felt like a rocket ship, and I wasn't even revving it out.
Oh man, that was probably only like 600 or 700 wheel.
My heart is going through my chest right now, bro.
So you'll notice that clutch engages at the very, very top.
Yeah. Oh, my heart is pumping right triple disc though. Wow, what a difference.
Takes a lot of clutch to hold that
Yeah,
kind
it
of power
does.
and
It
torque, man.
does. You can feel it. It is just so different. All right, here we go. Yeah, we're gonna send it. 3, 2,
You got nothing to say, man.
That just ruined my whole Mustang experience because I don't think I'll ever feel anything like that again. Dude. Wow. And I just can't believe like how well it puts it down. I can't do that in my car without getting locked out from that obviously stock clutch, but this clutch handles it so nicely.
Shout out to Mantic, man.
Dude, it feels incredible. It feels so good. Dude, I want it. Is it for sale?
Everything's for sale, man.
I could never buy it, but is it for sale? No. It's this one, right?
Yeah, that's right.
The rev matches though. Sounds angry. My heart's still like, that was nuts.
All right, man. So you kept it between the ditches, so we're proud of you. But how does this compare? 1,000 wheel versus what you're used to now, like the 730.
How does it compare? You guys ruined me. You absolutely ruined me. My car made 722, some boostain, which is a pretty good number. It really is. But this thing, man, it's absolutely unreal. The fact that, you know, 1,000 wheel and it hooks. That Mantic triple disc, I would never even known, like shifting wise. It is so smooth, it puts it down, it holds. Applause for the MT82. It's an incredible car. It was such a experience. I don't think I'll ever drive anything quite on this level. Is VMP's Sema car at that. So the nerves were definitely building up for that aspect. You know, you can have a 1,000 horsepower car, which it's very sick, but this is a Sema car. This is what blood, sweat, and tears into this thing, and they put it behind, they let me behind the wheel, which still kind of crazy to think about, but I absolutely love it. It was such a blast, and I can't thank VMP enough for allowing me to do this with their baby. But insane car. Never would have thought in a million years that I'd be driving something like this, but I can't thank you guys enough for the opportunity.
Thanks for coming down, man. Thanks for trusting us with your car, Blues. For happy it's
Absolutely,
still
man.
running.
It's good seeing you guys again, and VMP, man.
Yeah, happy to be here, man. Shout out to Jokers for the blower in this thing. Got the VMP 105 throttle body. Got our upgraded race intercooler. If you want some parts like this for your GT500, hit us up here at VMP Performance. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.